Hey guys, welcome to week 11. Pardon me, welcome to week 11 of your government class. This week you're going to start taking a look at the political left and the political right. That's the main focus this week. Next week there's a discussion board that's going to be based on what you did this week. So make sure that you do the stuff this week so you're ready for the discussion board, which will only be open for a week, just like the last discussion board. Let's go take a look at this. Alright, so in your class, if you scroll down, you notice there's a new lesson open, political left and right, right there. I want to take a quick look at this with you. Alright, so when you go in, right, there's going to be a new video sitting right here, I think, in just a minute, that'll introduce this to you again. On this page, you're going to learn about political left and political right. Shocking, I know. There's a video right there that's not showing up on my computer for some reason. That's interesting. And then at the bottom, you'll notice there's a button that says answer the 5 questions. Right, so there's 5 questions that you need to five questions that you need to answer about political left and right, but that's not all that's in this assignment. Let's go back and take a look at it. Alright, so chugga. Alright, after you answer the 5 questions, alright, so you click there, you answer the 5 questions. The next part of this lesson is about the world's smallest political quiz. And what the world's smallest political quiz will do is show you where you sit, left to right, and help you get an idea of where you are politically. To make that happen, right, you've got to answer these 10 questions on the world's smallest political quiz, right? And for each of the 10 questions or 10 statements, you're going to select A for agree, M for maybe, D for disagree, and then you're just going to go down and pick them. I'm just going to pick some at random just for fun, so I can show you what you're going to get. Okay, but before you do that, as you're reading any of these questions, right, so let's say you take a look at the second statement. Military service should be voluntary. There should be no draft. And you're not real clear on what that means. Come back to the lesson, click on statement 2, right, and I'll break it down for you so you can read through that and you can get an idea of what any of those 10 statements are about if you're a little unclear on it, and then decide if you agree with the statement. You might agree with the statement, or you disagree. After you've answered all 10 of them, click on score it. Right, you'll get a grid that looks like this. Your little red dot is where you sit. This person would be a little bit more to the right than to the left, but still in the center. You can learn more about where you sit by clicking the links over here. But the thing that's really important is that if you're on a PC, you right click on top of this. If you're on a Mac, you control click and you save your image. Alright? Now you notice it's got this funny thing here, right? You can just add whatever to it. You can call it quiz, whatever you want to call it. Just make sure that you save it someplace. Alright, because you are going to use it for the discussion board and for the project for this unit. So that's really important that you save that. And that's it this week, alright? So answer those 5 questions, complete the world's smallest political quiz, save your image. That's it. That's it. That's all for week 11. Any of this other work for your class, right, you can still do. Right? Everything is still open, waiting for you. Right? If you don't have it done already. Alright, so you can do any of these things that are still available. And they're just waiting for you guys. Alright, so if you need anything, let me know. And have a great week. Week 11. Wow. It's pretty cool. Alright. Have a great week, guys.